So today we're talking about jump rope, high knees. This is Shana Brady from Punk Rope. I'm Tim Haft. Thank you for joining us. So as you watch Shana do the high knees jump rope step, what you're going to see is a lot of hip flexion and hip drive and knee flexion as well. And this may look a little different than traditional high knees that you see without the rope, which is a lot faster. Boom, 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 right? Pretty classic sports drill. That's fine, but it fatigues people very, very quickly. And we like this variation where it's knee up and then a bounce and knee up and a bounce. And as with all steps, the way you want to begin is without the jump rope. So you see Shana here, no rope, and she's just mimicking the step. Okay. Part two would be to introduce the rope, but with a swing to the side, which we call the windmill swing. And that way you can work on coordination of the wrist, right? The wrist is turning the rope, and Shana's just switched to her non-dominant hand. So coordination of the wrist with the leg work. And there's that knee drive, knee drive, knee drive. And then once you feel comfortable with both of those parts, you can introduce the rope. Here we have a side view. And remember, it's turn first, jump second. And then there's that knee. And you can see it's actually driving past Shana's waist. Up and up. Very consistent. Elbows are in tight. Good posture. Neutral spine, core is engaged. We can also look at it from the front to see the arc, which is centered over Shana's head. And of course, you could vary the pace if you like. Now, Shana is using a 4-ounce punk rope jump rope. It's our standard rope. But you could also introduce a heavier rope to work on more endurance or more strength. And then if you wanted to add some variations, here are some possibilities. You could travel with this step. So as you drive your knees up, you're also moving forward. Likewise, you could drive your knees up and take it backward. If Shana rotates and faces me, a more difficult variation would be to drive your knees and move laterally. See if we can get her to move laterally here. Knee up. There she's moving to her right. Knee up, moving to her left. And of course, you could experiment with a backward turn as well. A little bit more complicated coordination-wise. So that's jump rope high knees, lots of benefits, mainly focusing on hip strength, leg drive, coordination, endurance. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.